In this video, I will show you how you can fix the Wi-Fi connection problems on your iPad 11A16. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just perform a restart on your iPad. Also restart your Wi-Fi router, because sometimes the issue can be from your Wi-Fi router. Now to restart your iPad, you can either open the control center, and from here you can open the power menu. Now you can power off your iPad, then just wait for a couple of seconds, then just press and hold the side button to power on your iPad. Or you can just perform a force restart. To do that, just grab your iPad, then just press and release the volume up and the volume down buttons at the top of your iPad, then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the restart is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. From here, just check if there is any VPN network connected with your iPad or not. If there is, just disconnect it from here. After that, just go back to General Settings, and under General, you will find the option for Date and Time. Now just tap on it. And from here, just check if the date and time on your iPad are correct or not. If they're incorrect, you will face Wi-Fi issues. So just tap on the date and set the date manually just like that. Now after that, just do the same thing with the time. But what I recommend is just enable the toggle for set automatically. And after you do that, your iPad will automatically set the correct date and time according to your region. After you do that, then just open the control center on your iPad, then go to the connection section. From here, just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Then just wait for a couple of seconds. Then just tap on this icon one more time and turn it off. And by doing that, you will do a quick network refresh on your iPad. Now, if you have done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, in the main settings page, just scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. From here, just tap on Location Services. Now, if Location Services is turned on, then just turn it off from here. Then wait for a couple of seconds and turn it back on. After you do that, then just scroll down and tap on System Services. Now on this page, if you scroll down, you will find the option for networking and wireless. Now if this option is turned on, just turn off this toggle, then select turn off, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, as I said earlier, just grab your iPad, then just press and release the volume up and the volume down button, and quickly press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. And once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go back to Settings, and under Settings just tap on General. Now under the General Settings, just scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset. Now from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You'll just reset all the network-related settings of your iPad. Now, if you have done all of that and if your Wi-Fi issues are still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.